Hello students, this is class 12. Last time we have studied about the oogenesis, in which we have studied the formation of ovum. Today we have to study about the structure of ovum. Human ovum is microlethal with a large amount of cytoplasm. So this is a micro microlithal microlithal with a large with a large amount of cytoplasm. With a large amount of cytoplasm, it is surrounded by, it is surrounded by three envelopes. Envelopes are three membranes. It consists of three membranes or three envelopes. These names are white line membrane. Number one is number one is number two is Juna pellucida. And corona radiata. So we have to see its structure. This is about nucleus. It contains the nucleolus, and after that so so first, this is This makes this is corona radiata. On sequence we have to write. This is nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm. Nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, and this is vitelline membrane. Vitelline is also called a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or vitelline membrane. Now next one is zona pellucida. And this is corona radiata. Corona radiata. And this one structure you have to see here. This is called as the perivitelline space. This is called as the perivitelline space. This space is called as the perivitelline space. This space perivitelline space, this space in between the vitelline membrane and zona pellucida is called as the perivitelline membrane. So this is the structure of human egg. Some here, some cells you can see some cells here. That is, these cells are called as the follicle cells. Here we can see here some follicle cells. Follicle cells are here. It is more clear diagram you can draw from your the book what is given here. So these are the different layers of the human egg or the human ovum. This is the structure of human ovum. It is consists of mainly three membranes, that is called the one is Bartline membrane, second zona pellucida, and third is the corona radiata. Three membranes are there. So these eggs are ovum after fertilization. Where fertilization takes place? In the fallopian tubes. And where in fallopian tubes? Ampullary stomach junction is the place where fertilization takes place. You know, it is immotile. It cannot move itself since it has no flagella. It is not able to move. So we discuss in detail about when we discuss in the fertilization. So next time we will discuss about the menstruation. Thank you. That's for today.